Today I'm going to teach you about the Pythagoras Theory. Okay, so practice. I don't use technical terms because I called it the Pythagoras Theory. I don't know why, but anyways, ever heard the term right angle? You probably have because that's very easy. But have you ever heard the term subscribe? Yes, you should have because I'm going to tell you it now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Thank you. That supports me a lot. So, today, have you ever heard 3 times 4 times 5? Oh, no, it's not 3 times 4. 3, 4, 5 in a right angle. You probably had, because sometimes teachers get crazy and then talk about during their stuff. But anyways, allow me to turn the camera and start explaining the Pythagoras Theory right now. Please allow me to have a major shaking here. Please allow me to force you to subscribe. Okay, if you haven't watched my amazing scribbles video, you have to watch it right now. Because if you don't, you're not going to understand anything I talk about this video except for the basic parts. The Pythagoras Theory is, I'm going to tell you, first thing, the Pythagoras Theory applies to every single right triangle. So, to draw a perfect right triangle, I'm just going to do this. I use my big brain. I'm going to use a ruler, a big brain. So, I have a question. If you're a genius that watched this video, probably would answer, you can watch it and answer this question easily. But we're going to answer this question at last. Without measuring, I can, using my big brain, I can know what, okay, I can't do this, just in case I see that answers this question, I'm going to use my, so I'm just going to use the big fat, no, not the big fat math notebook. Can I find anything, okay, use this stuff, going to make a straight line along here, but I don't know what the centimeter is. So at the end of the video, you see I measured this at 3, 4. I want to know what the distance is. Here, question mark. So at the end of the video, I should be able to answer this. But the I don't know how to spell it. Pythagoras Theory applies to every single right triangle. And I'm going to give you a bunch of, no, actually just one proof to prove it. I'm going to prove the Pythagoras Theory. Okay, now let's jump into our calculations. So what is the Pythagoras Theory anyways? So the Pythagoras Theory is it states that on a right triangle, I'm going to draw it right now, again on the edges. I could call this side A, side B, side C. That can be any variable. It could be side A, can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3. Whatever, it just have to have a right triangle or 90 degrees on side. It's going to apply to every single right triangle. So, let's see. 90 degrees. So, Pythagoras, that's just for comedian effects. So, Pythagoras stated that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So it's basically side next to right angle. Side next to right angle times the other side next to right angle equals what? Well, if you say C is here, C is right here. So you can see the tilting sides. But it was 8th grade math and I'm grade 5. Anyways, I'm going to say that this theory applies to this triangle. So you can see side next to right angle, side to other side, I'm gonna prove it right now. Oh wait. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna use this triangle because I'm lazy to do it at the end of the video again. I'm gonna make another triangle at the end of the video, but right now you can see 3, 4, 5. Very easy. I didn't plan the video, so I'm just saying stuff and then explaining from my brain. Okay, so you can see I predict it is 5. How did I know? First thing I have to check the answer because I want to see if this works. Should be precisely. Ow, it's precise. Look at this, it is precise. Oh, geez, I need a clear. Just take a clear. It's gonna take forever to get to. Take this ruler. Look. Right at 5, I predicted the future. Though, I actually just used the Pythagoras Theory. This is a very simple part. I told you 3, 4, 5, remember? This becomes a 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, so the ratio, there's a type of triangle where the ratio for the sides is 3, 4, 5. The ratio can be 6, 8, 10. But before we jump to this stuff, let's say. So you can realize 3. We're gonna use the theory. This is A, this is B, this is C. So 3 equals 3 squared plus 4 squared equals question mark squared. So I'm not just pretend I don't know what this is now. Oh, I'm gonna say 9 plus 16 equals question mark squared. So equals 25 equals question mark squared. Wow. If I squared both sides, it means that this side gone off a question mark and squared. This is what I told you. You have to watch my square root video. If you don't, you probably won't understand. Right now, 5. So square root of 25 is 5 because 5 equals 25. That's a very simple explanation for you. So 5 is question mark or C, right? Hey, Pythagoras is a genius. Anyways, so it means that his original statement was just quite simple. This actually goes in many directions, like simultaneous and common right now. But this comes in many directions. That's gonna hit a lot of parts of geography. This is the one basic part of geography. Oh, geez, I said it wrong. Jeez, I can't record this again. It's not geography. I'm just sorry. It's not geography. It is. Jeez, what's that called again? Mathematics, geometry. Okay, my English isn't that good. But anyways, look at this. Ouchie, my head hurts. Look at how Pythagoras fought so good. And I remember Pythagoras ended up being killed by a soldier. Who he said, go away, and then the soldier was like, hey, what did you just say to me? And yeah, that's the part of history class. Jeez, not talking that right now. So now you know what Pythagoras Theory is. Let's jump to examples. Example of Pythagoras Theory is that, but this is always on ratio. Whenever you go bits, even if you go bits, it always works. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. You multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. And I'm gonna prove that right now again. 6, look. 6, 8. Could prove that's 10 centimeters. Look. Whoa, okay. Right on 10. I proved the Pythagoras Theory. Again, 6, 8, 10. Because on ratio 6, 8, or 36, 48, geez, my math is stupid. 64, add together always goes to 100. That, you know what, Pythagoras is a genius. You understand? I could give you other examples. Well, this is a very common example, and I forgot to do research about this. Anyways, there's an example with 1200, 4400. Yeah, a weird number where it goes to these numbers. Yep, not wrong. 5 till 13. I brought this by memory. Yeah. Remember, there's a 625 from 600. Okay, so I remember there's a 24 here. Okay, right now pause the video and think what's 24 squared. Gonna calculate right here. Okay, now 576. And part of Pythagoras Theory, if my brain's not broken, it's 7. 7 squared equals, look, these are common examples. I'm going to point it right now and dig deeper. I'm going to tell you 2 very basic examples for you now. There is two very common teacher or puzzle you this on. If I this and this these type of triangles, teacher will tell you something. Gonna mark a random number and do the exact same. I can't calculate this. It's like 1 point. It's very small. It's on a very small decimal. Anyways, this is 5. And I'm gonna say this is 5 square root of 2. Yep, that's why I told you watch a video. And if you break down, you realize this on a ratio. It's actually a 1 to 1 to square root of 2 ratio. But did you notice anything? If you're genius, you probably would. Hey, there's 245 degrees here. So, let me tell you. Teachers will tell you. Teacher will just tell you. What is this? What is this? But if you're big brain, you realize, oh, this is 90, 45 degrees. That means that these 2 sides must equal. So you know this is also 5. So this special triangle all sends to this 1 square root of 2 ratio. Okay, another special ratio people stump with is called 1 square root of 3, 2. I can't draw this on an angle because I'm lazy right now. But let me show you. 1 square root of 3, 2. This is very genius. And yes, these 2 all have proofs. Look, 1 plus 1 equals 2, right? 2 equals a squared. 1 squared plus squared equals this squared, right? Oh geez, I messed up. This squared, right? This squared on the video you learned it's 2. So 1 plus 1. By the way, I'm gonna put the square root video in the description. You can watch it. Equals 2. Hey, Pythagoras a genius. This same 1, 3 equals 4, right? So you realize this. Guess if you learn this at school, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. I call this a 30, 60, 90 degree angle. You might call it 30, 90, 60. But this is a perfect one. 1 square root of 3, 2. By the way, I call this because, look, the smallest one faces to the smallest one. This will be another part of geometry you might learn soon. Look, the smallest angle faces the smallest side. Anyways, so that makes me memorize 1 square root of 3, 2, and 1 square root of 2. So, now, let's dig deeper. So, if I teach you something like 2, 3, you don't have to do much. 4 and 9 equals 4 plus 9. If teacher do this, you can just 4, 9 equals 13. So square root of 13 will be your final answer. 13 will be your final answer. Bam. Now, let's jump to proofs. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Okay, now I will prove Pythagoras Theory without. But today we're gonna use crafts. Okay, so random to make it easier. I have to set up a 3, 4, 5 triangle right now. So you can see. You can try this at home. Follow my steps. Draw 3, 4, 5 triangle. 3, 4, 5 triangle. The 3, 4, 5 triangle. Right? Right? So use this. Now, and you label it 3, 4, and 5, which is A, B, and C. Right? So if you're lazy like me, you can just do this. Draw another triangle there. Jeez, it doesn't make sense. Yeah, it should not make sense. Exact rectangle. Do another 5C, A3, yep, nothing. Jeez, I think Anna did it. And B4, something like that. Oh, jeez, oh wait, no, I didn't. For B. So right now, what you do is cut them out. There goes my scissors. Wait for me for a second. I gotta take my scissors. Gotta take my scissors. So, I'm gonna prove this single-handedly with crafts. So you can see if I cut this out. Yay. You guys know right now I'm still uploading the Rubik's video. So you can see. First thing, I'm gonna make a very big square. So look, my job is to make a very big square later, but you can see that there's a 7. So the size should be 7, so later it's gonna be something like this to make a big square. So I'm gonna right now. So you need 4 in total of this. I have 2 right now. And right now let's first make the squares. Where's my ruler again? Ah, jeez. Anyways, I got my sheep. This one is for school. I bring this to school. And look. Da-dee-da-doo. So you can see 7, 7, 7, 7. I'm going to do 7 of 7. And then you can see. Guys, to do the background voice. You know, we all have moms. Okay, this just became harder than I thought. To make a perfect 7 triangle. Perfect square. I'm just gonna face it to tell somewhere there. I'm not gonna make it perfect because making it perfect takes billions of hours. Just make a big fat triangle like this. Okay, somewhere near a triangle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it will somewhere prove Pythagoras Theory. People came up with many other theories, but I'm gonna use this theory because it's easy and I love crafts. And by the way, that's the only one I understand too. 7, 7, 7, 7. So now, place these 3. You have to see the markings. That one there and one there. You have to make sure which side it's facing. You have to do the exact same side it's facing at me, so you don't mess everything up again. So you won't mess stuff up. I made it. Okay. I think I didn't mess myself up because I remember something like that. Oh geez, I think I just messed up. No, stuff doesn't make sense again. Should be opposite. Yeah, I think I messed up. Yeah, I think I messed up. Wrong side. Okay, I think I messed up. I need a 4 to this side and then a 4 here. 3. Okay, so you guys, I'm not gonna do too much of marking because that's gonna waste too much of your time. Same thing, 3, 4, 5. C, A, B. You guys better do double-sided because just in case you guys feel like me. Don't want to see you guys fail. Yeah, I was stuck there with the. Okay, so now I realized I have to make the exact same 2 triangles, and I can check. I checked I have to make 2 exact same triangles. I can use my lazy method again. Congratulations, myself. 3, 4, 5s. Okay, I'm gonna play this in fast mode so you guys can relax. But I really suggest you do it now and impress your math teacher by learning the Pythagoras Theory with 4 pieces official that fast. And if you're grade 5 like me, teacher will call you a genius and give you 1 billion points in math. Lol. Okay, so you cut. Oh, jeez, big. Okay, now I'm just not gonna mark it just in case the same stuff happens, because I just remembered I made 2 opposite triangles because I flipped it. Now that's the time where big brain becomes useless, because sometimes I overthink stuff, make it harsh, but it's basically just the answers right in front of you. Hey, now it's time for proof. You draw 3, 4, 5 easily. But now I can prove it. Look, it's 7, 3, 4, 4. And then I'm just gonna flip that to make it as 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. Hey, is that wrong? Look, that's easy. I made a puzzle myself. You can see. This is actually a big. Look, it's actually. If you realize the middle, what's in the middle? Oh, it's a big square. That's the square I want. So as long as I have the exact, as long as the volume, the area I subtract from the stuff all made, it means that if the area I have always make whatever rearrangement won't matter, because the area will always stay same. So this is C squared, right? To rearrange it. And here comes a wow! I didn't know that part. Oh. Hey, did I just prove Pythagoras Theory? I did just prove Pythagoras Theory. Look, you can see. Ah, Jesus, opposite. A. These are the 3 sides. This is A squared. Oh, B are the 2 sides on it. So it's B squared. Hey, remember what I told you about the area never changes? Oh, so we said that 2 add together should still be the same as the before, which is C squared. Look, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. That's single-handedly using craft just proved their Pythagoras Theory. Now, after we learned so much today, I think it's time we go our practice. Bam! So, right now, teacher was single-handedly, if teacher ever single-handedly to call you up and ask you to tell everyone a math something, impress them, watch for this video and impress them with crafts that prove me. Today is time for practice. Bam, 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 bam. It's time for practice. Oh, practice. Today, let's start with an easy one. Oh, I think I told you so much examples, I have no more. Okay, so let's go. So, okay, I'm just gonna see. 12. There's a 12. 12 is a side. There's a 16 and there's a 25. Remember, I never plan my lessons. I don't plan my lessons. But 12, 16, 25. It might be not on ratio, but think. What's she? Oh, did I remember? Oh, dude, I just said the answer. Okay, so now think. This side is going to be the same, right? Oh, what am I doing? So remember, okay, so right now, yes. Anyways, look, 12, 16, 25. What part of Pythagoras? This is actually a ratio from our question before. Which ratio was it from? Remember we had the 1 square root of 2. That's definitely not 1 square root of 2, but think, which ratio was it from? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Okay, you can pause the video right now, but anyways, it's actually from 3, 4, 5. Ah, messed up. That goes into the bloopers. 20. Okay, anyways, now think again. It's from 3, 4, and 5. That's going to bloopers. I recorded so long. Anyways, so guys, this is actually another part of the lesson. So you guys can see 12, 16, 20 all comes to the ratio. And right now it's the actual practice. Bam. So I'm gonna come up. Okay, let's start. So we're gonna start with a kind of easy one, because I don't know to break your brain right now. Let's start with a fairly easy one. Okay, wait, I can finish it. Okay, so what is this box? If it is a ratio of this and this, 14, 48, and question mark. What is question mark? Answer. 3, 2, 1. You can pause the video right now, but it's 50. Remember? It's a ratio 7, 24, 50. Oh yeah. Now back to the ratio 15, 46. Please don't mess up again. 45. What am I doing? Oh yeah, 42. Is it 42? Okay, anyways. Okay, and now solve this problem. Okay, I'm not done with the problem yet, so it's 49. Okay, solve this problem right now at your homes using big brain and answer this question. What is the answer of this? Oh, it's back to the ratio 5, 12, 13. Times 3 equals 39, times 3 equals 36, times 3 equals 15. So it's the answer is, so it's from 5, 12, 13 ratio. Okay, so last question is going to be a little bit hard. Hey, I have a triangle. I have a triangle. 5. What's the ratio? Oh, can't do that. Okay, now with these 2 marks, basic marks of geometry, this time I'm correct. What do you think is the answer? Okay, what do you think? Have you guys gotten it? Have you guys gotten it? Okay, if you've gotten it, it's good. 5, square root of 2. 5 square root of 2. Why? Remember? That's a 1 square root of 2 ratio. So times 5 goes 5. 5 square root of 2. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe, like, and please skip the bloopers part. So anyways, remember you can try and make this at home. If you think I'm very interesting, remember to subscribe, like this video, and comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.